Ever felt overwhelmed by a mountain of tasks, projects, and deadlines? You're not alone. But what if there was a tool that could help you conquer chaos and streamline your workflow? Today, we're diving into Asana, a popular project management tool. And the question on everyone's mind is, can one person effectively use Asana? Personal anecdote: I've been using Asana for a few years now, and it's been a game changer for my productivity. But before I dive into the specifics, let's understand what Asana is and why it's so popular. Defining Asana. Asana is a cloud-based collaboration software designed to help teams organize, prioritize, and manage their work. But don't be fooled by the word team. Asana is equally powerful for individuals looking to boost their productivity. Benefits of using Asana alone. Task organization. One of the most significant advantages of using Asana alone is its ability to organize tasks efficiently. You can create projects, add tasks, and assign due dates. This helps you visualize your workload and prioritize tasks effectively. Project management. Even as an individual, you can use Asana to manage your projects. Break down large projects into smaller, manageable tasks, set deadlines, and track progress. This ensures that you stay on top of your goals and avoid procrastination. Time management. Asana's time tracking feature is a lifesaver for individuals who struggle with time management. By tracking how long you spend on specific tasks, you can identify time-consuming activities and make necessary adjustments to your workflow. Goal setting and tracking. Asana's goal-setting features are perfect for individuals with ambitious goals. Create goals, break them down into smaller steps, and track your progress. This keeps you motivated and focused on achieving your objectives. Customization. Asana is highly customizable, allowing you to tailor it to your specific needs. Create custom fields, assign tags, and use templates to streamline your workflow and make Asana truly yours. Overcoming challenges of using Asana alone. Lack of collaboration. While Asana is designed for collaboration, using it alone can be a challenge. You won't have team members to assign tasks to or provide feedback. However, you can still leverage Asana's features to collaborate with yourself. Overwhelming features. For beginners, Asana can seem overwhelming with its many features. But don't worry. Start with the basics and gradually explore more advanced features as you become comfortable with the tool. Integration with other tools. Asana integrates seamlessly with other productivity tools like Google Calendar and Gmail. This can be a huge advantage for individuals who rely on these tools for their daily workflow. Tips for using Asana effectively as an individual. Start small. Don't try to do everything at once. Start with a few projects and gradually add more as you become comfortable with Asana. Utilize templates. Asana offers pre-built templates for various projects. These templates can save you time and help you get started quickly. Experiment with different views. Asana offers different views like list, board, and calendar. Experiment with these views to find the one that works best for you. Use automation. Asana's automation features can help you save time and reduce manual tasks. Create rules to automatically assign tasks, set due dates, and update project statuses. Stay organized. Keep your Asana workspace organized by using folders, tags, and custom fields. This will help you easily find the information you need. So, can one person effectively use Asana? Absolutely. As we've seen, Asana offers a plethora of features that can help individuals organize their tasks, manage projects, and boost their productivity. If you're looking for a tool to streamline your workflow and achieve your goals, I highly recommend giving Asana a try. It's a powerful and versatile tool that can be adapted to your specific needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.